Good evening. My name is Dan Abella, and I'm the organizer of the Psychedelic Film and Music Festival. As you all know, this year's been a really tough year in all of us, especially on those who are suffering from trauma and PTSD. It is for this reason that I'm organizing a very special music event. I'm calling it Rock Against PTSD. This is a music festival we are organizing June 11th and 12th and 13th that will raise awareness and funds for PTSD. Proceeds from the festival will go to the Wounded Warrior Project, a nonprofit foundation with a fantastic track record in helping vets with their families. Now, if you want to help, there are two ways you can do so. One, go to our website and purchase a ticket for only $10, seven of which will go directly to the Wounded Warrior Project. Another is to go to our website and find our fundraiser link and donate directly to our fundraiser. This is a $20 donation, and the full donation is tax deductible. As soon as you do so, shoot me an email and I will make sure to include you in our guest list. Our festival will cover many different aspects of music, from psychedelic to hard rock. There'll be music videos, there'll be documentaries, interviews with bands, as well as pre-recorded live performances from several bands from all over the world that are guaranteeing and producing music free of charge specifically for this event. I hope I can see many of you there. This is a really important cause. We need to all join together and use the power of music to get the word out. In the event you cannot make the festival, spread the word. Get the word out to others. Share it with other foundations or other people you know. We're beginning a movement. This is not the end of a beginning of one festival, but the beginning of a major event that hopefully will be translated into live events when we all finally go live real soon. So I hope to see you real soon, either live or at our festival, which again takes place June 11th, 12th, and 13th. The name of the festival is Rock Against PTSD. Let's use the power of music to bring people together and make things happen. Let us make history. I hope to see many of you there. If you have any questions, you can reach us at www.psychedelicfilmandmusicfestival.com. Shoot us an email. We'd like to know how you're feeling. Get the word out. Most important thing is we all band together. Make sure that this pandemic does not separate us but unite us, makes us even stronger, more focused, and more determined to really make this a better world. If there's one message about psychedelics is there's a higher reality, a larger reality, a richer, a more loving reality. We need to go out and reach for it, make it happen, ground it here on this world, share it with others, and we can make it happen now. So soon I will speak to you, hopefully at our festival. In the meantime, share the word, share the light. God bless. Have a good day. Bye bye.